Hello fellow YouTubers and those interested in the paintless dent repair process. My name is Kent. My company is Kent's Dents. Today I'm going to be working on this 2017 F-250 Power Stroke. This is an aluminum truck. We have some damage on the left front fender. So let's pan around and let's take a look at the damage. Okay, just a few observations. We can see it's flattened this body line out right here. Got a nice buckle and a little crinkle right here. The edge appears to be rolled in just a little bit. It's hard to get the angle from the camera to see that, but it's in just a touch. We'll bring that back out. The bumper has some damage. He's going to replace that on his own. There's some alignment issues here with the headlight assembly, and I think it's because of the stress of the dent is pushing the fender forward and up into the headlight assembly. I think that will correct when we get the pressure off of that dent. There it is. Like I said, it's a deep dent. Again, all aluminum panel. It's going to be a challenge. We're going to get started on this and see what we can do. And here we are with the final results. A little scratch right there. He's going to put a little touch up on. Headlight matched up with the front of the fender well. Buckle turned out really nice. Still got to do some chrome bumper replacement there. There you go. Another one in the books. If I can assist you, paintless dent repair, you can find me on the web, kentsdents.com, or you can call me at 731-267-9708. I'm going to give this dude a quick bath. Look at them ugly rims. I can't stand that. Give her a bath, call the customer, have them come pick it up. Happy customer, happy truck, happy dent guy.